Hi friends, in this video I will explain how to list all the schemas available in a database in PostgreSQL server. For your information, I am using PostgreSQL 15 and pgAdmin 4. Both are the latest versions available at the time of recording this video. First, I will explain what are available in my PostgreSQL server. There are two databases, Postgres and Study. Study database I created already. Let us click on it. Let us click on the schemas. Here you can see common and public. Public will be available by default. I created this common schema. So first let us try to find all the schemas available in this study database. Let us right click and choose query to. You will get this window to execute our queries. First let me go to my notepad file. Let us copy this query. This is an SQL query fetching data from information under schema.schemata. Select schema underscore name from information underscore schema.schemata. Okay, so let us execute it. Here schema underscore name public common. Then there is system schemas are there. Information underscore schema, that is what we have already used in our SQL query. Then pg underscore catalog, pg underscore toast. So basically public and common, which are both are we can see at this location, schemas common and public. So I will explain another command also. Let me clear this one and let us go to notepad again. Copy this query. Here we are using pg underscore catalog schema and pg underscore namespace table, pg underscore namespace. So let us execute the command. Look at here. Here also we got the same data, pg underscore toast, pg underscore catalog, public, information underscore schema and common. So we know that common and public we can see here. So by executing these SQL queries, we can list all the schemas available in a particular database. Here information underscore schema dot schemata, pg underscore catalog dot pg underscore namespace. In the result, in both, when we execute both SQL queries, in the result itself we can see this pg underscore catalog here and information underscore schema also here, because both are schema. From that schema we have table schemata and pg underscore namespace. So from that table we will get this all the list of schemas available in this database. For in our case it is study. I have opened my SQL Shell psql command prompt window also. Here also we can access we can list all the schemas available in a database. Let me go to there. Let me enter the password. Let us go to particular database study. In my case it is study. You are now connected to database study as user Postgres. Let me enter my command. I have noted it already here in notepad. /dn and enter. Look at here, list of schemas, name, owner, common and public. Postgres is the owner. Public is pg underscore database underscore owner for the public schema. Common we created manually. Its owner is Postgres. So here it will list all the schemas which are relevant. Here it will list all the schemas, even system schemas also there, like pg underscore catalog, pg underscore toast and information underscore schema. This is the metadata like schemas, like it contains information and data about the other schemas and other information of the database and SQL PostgreSQL server. So by using these three options, first two SQL queries and second one is psql command, we can list all the schemas available in PostgreSQL server. Thank you.